What's going on, everyone? We back, baby. We back. We back. How we all doing? Mr. Bill, good morning. Good morning. It's been too long. Spent the last couple days enjoying myself. Took the days off from trading, but we're back. We're better. We're about to attack. But basically, I had gone to a concert a couple nights ago, so stayed up pretty late. Didn't want to run on no sleep, and just started trading day off, not feeling 100%. And that's why we took the day off. We actually did take. I took one trade. I took one trade yesterday. I'll show you guys in a bit once we get some more members in here. But other than that, no trading the last 2 days. But we're in a beautiful uptrend, which we have not seen in a while. I mean, this thing looks a little scary. Looks a little scary. We're just making higher highs, making higher lows. I mean, what are we at right now? We're at 4,300 right now. Just a couple days ago, we were 4122. Man, we're rallying. We're rallying 100%. That ain't no small move. What's up, Snake Eye? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so we're freaking rallying. We're freaking rallying today. Pull up a daily chart. I don't know why when I pull up the daily chart it looks like this. I have no idea why. And we're going. We're going, Axe Pain. We're rallying. We are officially rallying. My bad, Russell. My bad, Russell. I abandoned you. I did. I mean, you didn't have to. Jake says I wasn't live streaming. Didn't mean you had to listen to somebody else. Man, you cheated on me. I see how it is. I see how it is. Nah, but one of my friends from Los Angeles that I went to college with, he was visiting me up in NorCal. So I wanted to enjoy the time. I only had a couple days. So we went to a concert a couple nights ago. It was pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy. Travis Scott. It was a rage fest, I'll say that. It was a rage fest. So had an interesting last couple days, but now we're ready to hone in on the skills once again. Also, yesterday was a FOMC day. So regardless, it was honestly best that I didn't trade, because until the FOMC statement came, it was really not great trading. I did take one trade, as I said. Which one did I take? Let's pull up. Let's pull up what I took, man. Took this trade right here. Went in with 4 contracts. It was nice, higher low. 1 point scalp. So let's get some more trades today. Come on. Let's get a pullback for us. Zen in. Zen, we gonna get it? We gonna get a setup here, or are we just gonna rally and just keep going up without any pullback? I mean, from the low, let's take a look at the low of yesterday, just yesterday. It's 41.91. The low of yesterday was 41.91. We're all the way at 43.06. Just from yesterday, we're in a huge rally. 110, 120 points. We're still going. Zen, you use your my 90% off code for 4 evals? Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. I appreciate it. Mr. Zen. That's what keeps me going. Let's take a look. How much longer is there? Okay, there's 5 days. 5 days left for 90% off. And the 90% offs don't come too often. So if you are thinking of getting more accounts, you got 5 more days to cash in on that 90% off. That Moo Trades discount.
Order submitted.
All right, what are we going to do? What are we going to do here, guys? I don't know why when I have this limit order set, it's not showing up in my replicanto or in my rhythmic. Man, the sneezing is back. The sneezing is back. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I got 5 evals going. I got 5 evals going, baby squid. You didn't hear the story? You didn't hear the story on the blog? We freaking blew past our PAs or blew up our PAs in just a couple days, which was not good. But we learned from it. Now we're gonna make these back. It keeps ripping. It keeps ripping. I don't know what's going on. And it's ripping fast. I mean, here's that first pullback. Finally to the EMA. But man, no reason to fade this market right now. All right. Potential setup here. Potential little hidden second entry long. I mean, we'll see. We'll see how this bar prints right now. But holding at the EMA. Double bottom. All right, nothing yet. Nothing yet. But essentially, I mean, we have this little mini leg down, break, bouncing at the low of the move. Okay, and there's officially that one leg down, break, new low. Now we made the new low. Let's see if we can get another leg up. Unless we got something going like that we got to respect as well. Okay, and we had a big push down, probably took a lot of stops around here, but I mean, we're still in a huge uptrend. We're basically at the bottom side of this trend channel that I've drawn. Let's see if it holds up. Let's see if it's valid. The only thing that's worrying me, let me know if you guys know what the issue is. Actually, never mind. Well, here, look. Here are the 5 accounts. Okay, here's my working by quantity. Now it's showing up. Okay, you guys see that? What's happening? All right, now it's showing up. It was showing 0 before. I don't know why. Look, what's happening? It's going from 0 to 2. Let's get rid of it. Let's see if it goes back to 0. Okay. It's at 0. That's 0. Oh, you can't even connect to Ninja Trader, baby squid? Yeah, it's lagging because now I got 2 orders here, but only one of the accounts is showing there's 2. So I don't know what the issue is. Let's see. See if it'll get filled if we do take a trade. But basically, we had this move down. Definitely an overshoot in my opinion. So I want to see us get another higher low and work above the EMA. But yeah, there's definitely some sort of lagging going on in rhythmic. I mean, maybe that's why on the daily chart we got this thing too. I have no idea why. Like, even if I reload historical data, let's see if it fixes the issue, but I already tried this before, and look, just loaded, still same chart. What is happening right now, guys? All right, and looks like we're attempting to have that push at the EMA. If we get another clean breakthrough and start working higher, have a nice higher low above that EMA, that's where I'm gonna go long. Apex Facebook group reporting similar issues, saying it's glitchy. Okay, great, brilliant. Well, let's see if we take a trade, hopefully that will actually get filled. I hope so. I really hope so. It's also possible this downtrend is a little wider, and this is our first break, and we're trying to get back down to 42.96. So here's that second entry short, because with new low here, we went up once, down once, went up again. Second opportunity to go lower, second entry short right here. That failed. So that's that second entry short failure. Maybe it's a double trap though. Not quite. There are a couple ways we could also draw this uptrend. So it's possible the uptrend is just like this. Doesn't make too much difference in the overall analysis of what's happening, but it's possible. It's possible the uptrend is a little different than we had before. I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna keep it like that. But now, since we are having a little hesitation at the EMA, we're not going up immediately. I do want to see a test at this level right here. 96.75. 96.75. All right, and we're going sideways. We're going sideways. What the heck? Why are we going sideways? Uh-oh. Maybe we're not going sideways. Maybe we're going back up. So basically what I'm seeing, we had this move down, had the break, tried to go lower, had a little mini congestion, mini range, so we draw that. Now we're having a little breakout. Will this breakout fail is the real question. We're also at that psychological level, 4,300, so just a lot of fighting back and forth by the bears and the bulls. People are getting trapped one way or the other. So obviously, bias is that this uptrend is still intact, still seeking to make a new high, still going to have 43.08 as an upside target. But doesn't mean that we have to go straight up. Doesn't mean we have to go there right now. All right, there's that attempt at a failed breakout. Man, things are going fast. Things are going fast. Honestly, if we have a higher low here, I'm gonna go short. Or did I say higher low? I meant lower high. I meant lower high. But I guess we're not having that yet. Not yet, so just really sideways right now. See if we trap short sellers up here, 4304.25. Or if we trap all the longs who went long after that second test of the EMA. Okay, and here we are. Let's see. Now we took out this high. Let's see what we do here. Because it doesn't look like we're in any sort of short-term uptrend. It's possible we're just in a little two-tiered range as well. But like we've been saying, overall bias is still up. Still seeking new high, this strong uptrend. But can't ignore these moves down either. So it's really a couple conflicting beliefs, patterns in the market right now. I'm not convinced to take a trade in either direction right now. But hopefully if we do take a trade, we'll actually get filled with rhythmic. Because it's being glitchy. It's not being nice right now. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Oh, great. Some users, their accounts were blown. Not being able to close trades in rhythmic. I mean, I bet. I hope if we take a trade, it doesn't happen to us, but we'll see. We'll see. If anything happens, here's the record of our accounts. Our 5 accounts right here. Okay? Keep these numbers in mind. It's for the digital record right now. All right, and we're working higher. We're working higher. Or are we? Or are we just gonna get rejected here and start working lower again? Yeah, because I just placed a sell order here, but in rhythmic. Okay, here, working sell quantity. It says 4, 2, 2. Look, 2. It's changing all the time. I don't know why. which is very weird. Okay, now it says 2 for each one. So that's right. That's correct. We got 2 contracts down here. Is it really possible we got an uptrend like this? I don't think so. Maybe something like that, though. You took 1 trade, shows profit in our Trader Pro, but 0 in Ninja, so there is a problem. Yeah. It happens. Great. Everyone's having issues. Everyone's having issues. What do y'all think about this uptrend I got here? What do y'all think about that? You think it might hold up? We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna be back in 2 minutes. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Gotta go. Gotta go. I know it's my fault. It's my fault. I'm sorry about that, guys. Basically, what happened, because I did not live stream the last 2 days, Rhythmic, they came out with an announcement saying because Mumu Trades is not here, we're gonna have to punish everybody else and have some serious issues today. So I apologize for that, but it should be working now. I don't know. I have no idea. Hopefully. It's a server issue from Rhythmic. Wow. Great. Maybe we could have just taken the day off today too. Could have got some good rest. Could have slept in instead of waking up at 5:30. it seems like my rhythmic is working now, but it's just taking a little while for the trades to actually show. Like, it's delayed a little bit, I think. That's what I'm seeing on my end. So I'm gonna just keep these orders in here. Yeah, I hope they give everyone their profits. But we're having some interesting price action. We really don't see what we're having now too often, where we're just making higher highs, higher lows, little by little, little by little. Looks kind of sideways, looks kind of up. Looks like we are playing off this bottom side of the trend channel, but at any time, we might also just get rejected and then work back down to these lows, like under 4,300. So I'm gonna keep an eye out. I'm not convinced we're just gonna take out these highs up here just yet. All right, it's working now. Pineapple, LIM. But man, I really haven't seen any trades worth taking just yet. I mean, we're 30 minutes in the market open, so we're still very, very early, but usually we'll get a couple potential setups. Again, here's where I think it might just really be a range we're in. If we have a nice lower high here, I mean, we're getting a ton of resistance at the area. It looks like a wedge now that I do have this line drawn. It really does just look like a wedge, but usually if we have a wedge, it can turn into a range. And if we are in a range, my inclination is that we're going back down to 42.96. But let's definitely let this play out. Right now, nothing worth taking. Yep. Still congested. Still nothing I like. Nothing I like right now. What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat. You think we're going to 42.96 first, or are we going to make a new high right now? Let's put it as a chat. Where are we headed first? Let's put a little poll. Let's play a game. All right, what's the high? Let's see. Let's call it 43.09. 43.09 or 42.96. Let's see. So we're basically in the middle of that right now. Let's see. I want to know. I want to know what you guys think. We're going to go to this level down here, 42.96, or make a new high, 43.09 first. I'm curious what the chat thinks. We got the upward bias, but we're also very sideways. So regardless, traders are going to get trapped all over the place. We got 3 votes. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. We got 34 people in here. We need at least 34 votes. Every single person got a vote. But I know there's some viewers out there who are waiting to see what happens, and then they're going to put their vote in after we already do one out of the other. So I see your tactics. I see everyone's tactics. I know about them. If I had to guess, personally, I would honestly say we're going lower first. 42.96. We're gonna take out this low, then we might start working higher. But it's just a guess. Okay, so it seems like Rhythmic is working now. Smash that like button, guys. Snake Eye, you heard the man. Smash that like button. As we guessed, not even predicted. We're working lower. I mean, we haven't quite gone down to 42.96, but I think we might get down there now that we're having this significant push below the MA. So for that, if you guys can like the video, help my man Snake Eye. Help my man Moo, as in me, by showing your support and liking the video. Come on, guys. Like it up. I want to see freaking 25 likes right now. Let's do it. Let's do it. We got 12 likes. We can do better than that. We can do better. I know we can. I know we can do better. And we got 13 likes, baby. Let's go. We got one more like. That's what I like to see. Each like matters. Each like. Snake Eye is one of my girlfriends. Hey, settle down, Russell. Settle down. Settle down. You don't gotta expose me like that. You don't gotta expose me like that. Alright, but we are going lower. Haven't quite gotten to 42.96, but like I said earlier, the low of this move down is my target because the rules of price action are rules for a reason. So usually when you have a significant move, even if it's counter trend, even if you aren't entirely confident in it, if it looks like a trend, breathes like a trend, it is a trend. So I'm counting this move down as a trend. We had a break. We haven't gotten a new low. Still looks like we're trying to go down. So let's see. Let's see if we do that. See if we do that right here. Right here, mates. Okay, potential long setup right here. Bouncing out these lows, third or fourth touch. If you went long there, let's see if you got trapped. See if you got trapped picking the bottom. Yep, there we go. So now it gave us the little momentum to take out this low. And now is when personally I'm going to start looking for for the market to reverse and go back up. So I'm really not sure that this is valid, but given our previous uptrend, we had a significant break, haven't tested a new high, so now that is my target. We just might also be having another little downtrend that I gotta respect though. So it's a potential failed breakout if this is indeed a range, but also we had a nice move down, so I'm respecting it. But also just based on my drawing, you can kind of see. Let's measure it. If this is one leg down, if this is the second leg down, yeah, we got a little ways to go. All right, we're up to 19 likes. Not bad. Not bad. I think just from what I'm seeing on Rhythmic that the issue is fixed. But you guys let me know if you're still having issues. All right, and looks like we're attempting to take out this low, take out a bunch of stops here. We got one more tick to do it. Then we're going down. And of course, now the poll is saying that most people voted that we were going down here first. But it wasn't what we had at the start. I'm gonna end the poll right there. If you got your votes in, you got your votes. If not, man, what are you guys doing? Why are you not participating? So who knows? We might. I mean, at this point, with the way the market's been going up, down, we might just go all the way down to the 4260s right now. But it's going to be an interesting day. FOMC announcement yesterday. You were short, no idea where you're at. Bon and Joe, what happened? You didn't even know you were in a trade? Is that what you're saying? You didn't even know you were still in a trade? That's never a good feeling. All right, if this is a measured move where this is one leg down and this is a second leg down, a measured move would take us down to about 43.93. Apex crash and you can't connect. Oh, great. Great. But usually in these situations, Apex is on top of it and we'll get the issue solved. I mean, I think the issue is from Rhythmic. They just having server issues. So I would honestly just email Apex support, say, yo, what the heck, man? I just blew these accounts. It's your fault. It's not my fault. Tell them your situation. Say, man, this ain't cool. I trusted you, Apex. All right, let's see what happens now. We're getting a beautiful higher low. It's everything you want to see in this scenario. If this is indeed a range, we had a failed breakout of the range. We're pushing up. Nice higher low. But like I said, we still have this downtrend intact that I'm respecting. So if we reverse and trap some longs, I'ma be the one to trap them, but I'm not too convinced in this higher low. So we officially broke above it, but let's see. I mean, I don't know. Maybe we do start working higher right now. I just had a little hesitation because of this nice move down. All right, we're at that midline. We're at the midline of this little range we got. We're pushing up, trying to take out these highs once again. Man, oh man. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up again. In these situations, you do have to be very, very careful. Very, very careful. Okay, and Baby Squid with the announcement. Apex is aware of the issues. They're going to take care of the issues. And they'll fix all the accounts by the end of the day. Baby Squid with the reporting. Okay. We're getting a little W right here. Look at this. Look at this. W. Tell me that's not a W. Boom, boom. Are we going to complete it? Or not? Are we going to do what the arrows say? Woo-woo pattern. Woo-woo pattern. The opposite of moo-moo. Woo-woo pattern. Nice little W for you guys. See, trading doesn't have to be stressful. Trading can be fun. Look, we're literally drawing letters on the chart. You can't get more fun than that. Come on now. So easy, a kid could do it. Got to complete the W. We're gonna come back up. We're gonna come back to the high of the day. You got to complete the W. Yeah, that's how trading works. Once you see a letter in the market, like a W we're having right here, it has to be symmetrical. So it's almost guaranteed that we're going to come back, make a new high of the day, 43.08, 43.09. It's almost guaranteed. But in reality, I do want to see us take out this high at least. 43.06. And then if we do that, all hell might break loose. Then we might start working lower again. But wow. Straight up W. I haven't seen too many of these before. Man, I'm still yawning. I'm still freaking drained from that concert. That Travis Scott raging, man, took a lot out of me. Took a lot out of me. I won't lie. It was just not nonstop chaos. I was in general mission. Maybe I'll upload some pictures or videos to the YouTube. I got some on my Instagram. But yeah, they call it a rage fest for a reason. That mosh pits, pushing, shoving, punching, kicking, everything. It was an experience for sure. All right, we're having some rejection at this area as expected. I mean, we got a ton of resistance here, but I'm still respecting this trend up. I got it drawn for a reason. So if we are gonna reverse, I'd like to see a break of this structure, test out these new highs, and then we get the pass. Then we get the signal to go lower. Unless we just reverse right down here. Okay, and here we are. Here we are. Having that break. So let's see. Let's see if we push below the EMA, get a lower high, then work to these lows, or if we have a break, test these 43.06s, 43.07s, and then go lower. Or if we have a break, test these levels, test the high of the day, and then keep working higher. Who knows? Who knows? But at this point, because we've gone so sideways after the move up, I don't know how much steam we really have to the upside anymore. Definitely a lot of traders just made their money in this first opening move up. Like from market open to the high of the day. You could have had a 10-point move just like that, been in and out. Enjoyed the rest of your day. Maybe we should have done that. Maybe, why didn't we do that? Why didn't we do that? That could have been so easy. We could have just taken a trade and rode it up for 10 points right at the start of the day. What am I thinking? My fault, my fault. Okay, so we're having some sideways movement. Like we've been talking about, traders don't know what to do right now. Does this range take precedence or does this move up take precedence? We have a break of the move up. We haven't tested a new high. But, I mean, we didn't have this on the move down. We still just reverse. So, man, hard to tell. Hard to tell what we're going to do right now. Mr. UK Futures Trader. Yeah, I know. We haven't taken a trade yet. I think it should be fixed now. Some of the people in the chat were saying they had issues, but like now, if I place a buy order in Rhythmic, it will say working by quantity 2. If I put another one in, let's see. Yeah, working by quantity 4. So I think just based off that, it should be working, but we'll see. We'll see if we enter a trade. All right, potential long setup here. It's like a hidden second entry long. All right, we're in the trade. We're in the trade. All right, let's see if we can scalp out one more tick. Can we get one more tick? There we go. Oh man, oh man. Did our accounts get filled? Are they in and out? Are they in and out? I think so, yeah. Okay, there we go, there we go. Alright, well, I guess I'm lucky. I guess I'm lucky that my rhythmic is working now. Because, yeah, a lot of issues out there. Mr. Josh, Ryan. But they seem to be fixed right now. They seem to be fixed, at least on my end. But basically what I saw here, like we've been talking about, we had this move up, had a couple conflicting beliefs. I mean, we have the overall uptrend. We had the break of structure, still expecting new high of that. We also had this short-term uptrend. We had a break. I was expecting a new high of that as well. Man, maybe we should have kept one of the contracts as a runner. But let's see. We have 2-3 more points to get to the high of the day. Me wash. Bravo to you. Welcome in, man. I know every time you get those nice trending days, it always seems that those are the days where there's the most issues with rhythmic. The most action usually leads to the most problems. But man, here we go. Beautiful move up. Caught a little bit of it. Should have kept the runner in. Why not keep a runner in? Man, oh man. All right, and now we rocketed through that high of the day. Could have had, where did we go? We went long 43.05. How much longer is this going to go? I should have kept the scalp and runner. The fact that, I mean, I went with 4 contracts. I should have had one of the contracts as a runner. Especially on a day like today. I mean, now that we had such a push up. Who knows? The uptrend just might be like this. We'll see. We'll see if this is valid. But yeah, a lot of traders saw the same thing I did here. And took out a lot of stops. I don't know, Ryan. Is there a conspiracy that Apex does this on purpose? Or Rhythmic and Apex collude? Who knows? Who knows? It's possible. It's possible. I don't doubt it. All right, so basically, if I had a runner going, and if we push up or break above any bar, then I would place my stop loss 1 tick below here. So every swing low. So let's see. We haven't quite broken above a bar yet. But could have had at least 5 or so points. Melvin, man, they did. Apex did this on purpose. You're right. Let's riot. It's time. It's time. That's enough. You know what? Every time we have a beautiful trending day, there's always something wrong with Rhythmic and Apex. I'm gonna get to the bottom of this. I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. I'm gonna hire an investigative unit. We're gonna sue them. We're gonna have a class action. We're gonna make millions, baby. Let's do it, Melvin. Let's do it. Nah, I don't think anything's intentional. It honestly probably has to do with a lot of I mean, probably a lot of people trying to place. I mean, I have no idea. I'm not the tech expert, but it does seem like when you have a lot of volume in a certain day or a lot of movement, that those are the days where Apex does have problems. Or rhythmic. It's a rhythmic issue. It's not an Apex issue. But I could also be making everything up and not know what I'm talking about. So who knows? Who knows who to trust? You trust Mumu or do you trust Rhythmic? Yeah, so if I did have a runner, I would put it one tick below here. I would put it at 0975. That would have been 5-point runner. At least 5 points. At least 5 points. See if we work lower, though. Can we work lower so I know that I only miss out on 5 points and nothing more? That's basically what I want to see right now. Alright, we're still sideways. Still haven't broken below my potential runner. Come on, can we go lower? Can we go lower so I know I only miss out on 5 points? Okay, no we don't. No, we don't go lower yet. Are we at least going to get a pullback to the EMA so we can have another trade, though? That's the real question. Alright, let's check on these accounts. So, almost 1,300, 1,400 profit. Almost halfway to 3K. Gotta get to that 3K mark. Let's do it. Let's do it. Even with Apex and Rhythmic doing this on purpose. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Alright, what's gonna happen now? Are we just gonna have another strong push up? Are we really gonna have missed out on 10 points of a runner? 20 points, 30 points, 40, 50, who knows? Let's go. Let's go. Let's take out these stops right here. It's enough. Enough playing around. Come on. Go below 43.10. Go below. Go below. Not yet. We're not doing it yet. Might just trap some short sellers. Might just keep making new highs. There we go. There we go. Please explain why I took the trade. It was not a second entry long. It was a hidden second entry long, as I said. It was a hidden second entry long. It looked like one. So we went down here, tested the EMA, tried to push higher in the next doji bar. Then the signal bar that I went long at went lower again, closed right near its high. We were expecting a new high this move as well. So I was expecting to at least take out this high. But also, as we mentioned, you got to take into account the overall context. I was obviously biased towards the upside because we were in such a strong uptrend. We were expecting to have a new high of the day, and essentially a lot of traders saw the same thing I did. That's why we're having this strong move up. Mr. Rev, what's going on, Rev? What's going on? What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Moo Trades. How you doing, Rev? What's new with you, man? What's new with you? Does that make sense, Ryan? Why I took that trade? I might take another trade. I'm a little risky now away from the EMA, but it's really a failed second entry short here. Got a triple bottom. One attempt to go lower, second attempt to go lower off this little trend channel. I'm tempted. I'm tempted. All right, one more tick, and we're in and out of this trade. All right, there we go. There we go. That doesn't make sense, Ryan? What doesn't make sense? What doesn't make sense? Let me know. Let me know so I can help. But I thought I explained everything pretty clearly. But if you still are confused, let me know. Basically, why I took this one, we're having another bounce at this trend channel. It looks valid. There's also a breakout pullback. Breakout pullback of this little mini congestion. On top of that, it was a second attempt to go lower that failed. Beautiful bullish bar. I'm not doubting this uptrend. I'm going with the uptrend. Yeah, hidden second entry long. It resembled a second entry long. Technically wasn't a second entry long, but it resembled one, and then for all the context reasons, as I explained, I thought it was worth the risk to take the trade. Can't connect to your Apex account. Even now you can't. Man, so if we had a runner with our first trade, we'd still be in it. Even now, man, I don't know what to say. Even now, yeah. I mean, Maybe this afternoon it might connect. Maybe in the next 5 minutes. I have no idea. Luckily, our account's connected though. All right, we're almost at that 1500 mark, almost halfway. Okay, Bon and Joe, his apex is back up. Yeah, there were some opportunities today. I mean, there's still gonna be opportunities. The market is never short of opportunities. I'll say that. You just got to be on the lookout. Always got to be on the lookout. Man, now I'm in some pain. You know why? Because if we had a runner, we could have trailed it all the way up here. It would have been 10 points. Missed out on 10 points, $500. Great. Missed out on 10 points. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, man. All right, see if we get a pullback. Back to this EMA. Let's do it. All right, Ryan. All right, Ryan. There you go. There you go. Now you can connect. Hell yeah. Time to make some money. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ah, man. Why did I not have a runner? Why did I not have a runner? All right, peace out. Peace out, Josh. Thanks for tuning in. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. You know what? I'm a call it a day as well. I'm gonna call it right there. Peace out. Up a good chunk of money today. We'll be back tomorrow. Have a good one. If you guys want to use the 90% off code, go get you some Apex accounts, and we'll be back tomorrow.